Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. This is me, Basit. I'm your English instructor. I hope everything is pretty much calm, smooth, and fine. I started the series of parts of speech. So, first of all, what is parts of speech? Parts of speech definition is that all language is divided into parts, and those parts is called parts of speech. We have 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. I will upload videos on all these topics, but today our first lecture is on noun. What is noun? Noun word taken from the Latin word nomen. Nomen means name, right? Then we have, this is the origin of a noun. Now the definition of a noun is, what is the definition of a noun? Noun is the name of person, place, thing, and idea. Noun is the name of person, place, a thing, and idea, right? What is person? Persons mean like Ali, Ahmad, Sana, Aslam. These all are the examples of a person, right? Then we have another one. This is called the place. What is place? Place means like Peshawar, Islamabad, Mardan, Sawabi, Gilgit, New York, Washington DC. These are the examples of the place, right? Then we have a thing like chair, table, and wall, bulb. For example, frame, camera. These are the watch. These are the examples of things, right? Then we have idea. Idea means love, success, justice. These are the examples of idea. So noun is the name of person, place, thing, and idea. But here is one confusion that a lot of students are a bit confused in this definition, right? But the easiest definition is a noun is a naming word. Like how many types of noun we have? First one is a common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun, collective noun, material noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, and compound noun. Then compound noun is divided into 3 types. First type is a closed compound noun, open compound noun, and hyphenated compound noun. I will upload videos of all these types in very detail in later on, right? And in this channel, in Basit Academy, I uploaded videos on all tenses as well. And after that, I will upload videos on active, passive, direct, indirect, relative qira'as, and so on. Like for example, this is boy. Abbas is intelligent boy. Abbas cooks well. Abbas go to school regularly. So this sounds awkward because Abbas, and Abbas, right? So I will be saying Abbas is a boy. He is intelligent. He go to school every day. So this he is called pronoun, right? Definition of pronoun is that pronoun is a verb which used instead of noun, right? Then we have persons, like types of pronouns. I will upload videos on the all types of pronoun later on. It will be a detailed video, inshallah. And in today's video, I would like to talk on the person. Like how many person we have? We have a first person, second person, and third person, right? Then first person singular. And first person plural. First person singular is I, and first person plural is we. Got it? Second person singular is you, and second person plural is you. Then third person singular is he, she, and it. Third person plural is they. Persons, we have three persons: first person, second person, and third person. First person singular is I. First person plural is we. Second person singular is you, and second person plural is you. Like we have is, am, and are. These are the helping verbs. Is we use for the singular pronouns, and am we use for I, and are we use with the plurals like we and they. Why we use are with you? Like for example, you are a good boy. You are. So here this are we use with the you, because you is a second person singular as well and second person plural as well. Are you getting my point? Okay. Now we were talking about personal pronouns. What are the personal pronouns? Then possessive adjective and then object pronouns. So first one is a personal pronoun. Personal pronouns. Then what? Then is a possessive adjective. And then we'll have object pronouns. Personal pronouns are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Got it? These are personal pronouns. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. I we use for like I. For I we use it. Okay, very good. I possessive adjective is my, and object pronoun is me. We, our, us. You, your, and you. They, their, and them. He, his, him. She, her, and her. It, us. It, and it. It's so person pronouns I, we, you, they, he, she, it are the personal pronouns, and then we have the possessive adjective. What does it mean of possessive adjective? Possessive adjective means ownership. Possessive adjective we use for ownership. For example, my car, my watch, my marker. There, this marker is my possession. It's my ownership. So that's why I said this is my marker. So possessive adjectives we use for ownership, right? Like for example, our home, your mobile, his kite. Then we have object pronouns. What is object? Like for example, sentence. Sentence. What is sentence? Sentence is a group of words which give the complete meaning and complete thought, right? Sentence structure is a subject plus verb plus object. This object is noun and pronoun, right? This verb, this is a verb. Verb is a word which shows in action. Then we have a types of verbs like regular verb, irregular verb, transitive verb, intransitive verb, stative verb, dynamic verb. These are the types of verb, right? This is called a subject. So subjects are I, you, they, he, she, it, and Ahmad, Aslam, Sana, and these all are the object subjects, right? Then we have then we will use verb. It may be, it can be stative verb, it can be helping verb, it can be dynamic verb. It's depend on the. For example, this is a verb and this is an object. So we will use these object pronouns instead of object, right? This is a simple way like these are the very good topics. Inshallah, we will upload videos on sentence as well. Like what is sentence, then simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and compound complex sentence. And there is a types of sentences according to meaning and types of sentences according to structure. I will upload videos on these topics as well, right? Demonstrative pronoun. Next type is demonstrative pronoun. What is demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronouns are this and that, right? Then these and those, right? This we use for near singular thing. There, this we use for near singular, right? That we use for singular. These we use for near plural, and those we use for far plurals. That, these, those. These are the demonstrative pronouns. This we use for near singular thing, that we use for far singular thing, and these we use for near singular things, right? How we get to know that this is a near and that one is far? For example, car is standing over there. So I will use the demonstrative pronoun that is a car. That is a car. And if, for example, this is a marker, so I will say this is a marker. This is a marker because it is a near to me, right? And there is a formula that your one hand can touch, like for example this place, so it is a near, like this place, and so it is a near. It's right. It whatever is far away from your hand, it is a far. It's counted the far, right? And these we use for these we use for near plural things. For example, these are books over there, like for example in that one chair. So I will say those are books. Those are books. So demonstrative pronouns, this and there. This we use for near singular thing, and that we use for far singular, and these we use for near plural, and those we use for far plural things, right? It's easy. And next topic will be on the verb as well. Like what is verb? So verb is a word which shows an action, and that it's all types. That what is the difference between transitive and intransitive verb? What is the difference between dynamic verb and static verb? Which is the B to B verbs, helping verbs, modal auxiliary verbs, all these types of verb as well. Thank you so much for your uncountable attention. If you have any kind of questions so far regarding this topic, please comment me. I'll give you the answer. Have a nice time. Tata and bye bye.